Hello children, today we are going to use black paper and white pen. Those who don't have white pen, they can use this glass pencil. Okay, so see the difference. First, same like this we have done with the black pen on the white paper. Now this is also the same, but here things are opposite. Here paper will be black and pens will be white. Okay, so first we are going to do stripling. Okay, I am telling you the basics. See, stripling means dot. Full painting, full drawing should be done with the dots. See, in this you can increase the volume of the dot. Like you have to show it very darkly, so more dots. If you want to show it lightly, so less dots you have to make. See, here is large and here are less. Same like with the glass pencil. If you want to show it very dark, do it more dots. See, like this. Okay, next is hatching. Hatching. Okay, same with the glass pencil. See the difference. Pen will be work like pen, pencil will be work like pencil only. Like see the dark and light tone. Understood? Now cross hatching. In cross hatching, same as hatching only. First do it that. Okay. Okay, now in the opposite direction you have to move it again. Let's see. Understood? Same like glass pencil. See. Understood? Now next is scribbling, or we can call dawdling. Okay, in this, see, you have to move your pen or pencil with the circular motion. See, if you want to do dark, you can make it dark. See? Okay, same in the pencil. It's up to you. You have to move in anti-clockwise or clockwise. Understood how to make it and basic of the pen or pencil drawing in this. See both difference, pen and pencil. Okay, you have to practice of this. Okay, we will take a new sheet and keep in the portrait. Okay, now draw with the pencil first. We have to draw branches of tree. See, like a tree and branches. From the center of your sheet, you can able to see the pencil. See, we drawn with the pencil. Now it's up to you. You have to use this pencil or pen. Okay, I am using the pen and outline the pencil mark. See, drawn the outline with the pen. Okay, after drying the pen ink, you can erase your drawing and fill inside this columns. See, we're done with the filling. Now at the down, what you have to do, see. Okay, now in the tree we will do stripling. See, some are big dots, small dots, like that. Okay, it's not a proper stripling, but we will do it like this. And in the outer we will do stripling. Like this you have to do to the whole picture. See children, like this. Big dots, small dots. Okay, this we have done with the pen and this we have done with the glass pencil. Okay, see the difference, or you can make it. Okay, either those who are having pencil, they can make like this. Those who are having pen, they can make like this. Okay, but your topic is like stripling only. If you don't want to draw this, you can draw any other artwork regarding to stripling only. Okay, thank you.